Hello friends, welcome to the ML Web course by Group 4, and our course is on Innovative Design for Learner Engagement, which is also an acronym for IDLE, whereby we would like you to motivate, encourage and wake up the students who've been idle in the class. Our group members for this course are Ide, Suryani, Eureka, Elisa and myself, Ashish. So in this video, I am going to provide a very short introduction to what this course is all about for Group 4. So in this video, I will also talk about the structure and format for our 3-week course. I would talk about why engagement is important, how engagement can be done, and how it can be measured. The learning objectives of our course are that at the end of this course, you would be able to apply new techniques to increase learner engagement in online classes. You will be able to apply new techniques to increase learner engagement in offline classes, and you will be able to identify a level of engagement in the students in the class. The format for this course would be over 3 weeks, starting from November 4th until November 22. The platform that we're using is obviously Moodle, and we will be introducing you to other online platforms such as Nearpod, Padlet, and Mentimeter during this program. The frequency of this course, or the details of how you would be able to complete the instructions and the assignments, we will open all the instructional materials simultaneously, but you will be able to use it sequentially. You can be complete your assignments all through the weeks, and there will be a summation and conclusion on the last day of week 3. The actual time commitment that we are expecting from you would be about 90 to 120 minutes per week.